How's it? It's been a while since we did a vlog. Drift City was this weekend and I had a wedding on Saturday, and on my way home the tire made one hell of a weird noise. So we've got Sean running in the background. So I just popped in by Sean quick so that he can check out. I was fearing for the worst, but it's a small stone between the dust cover and the disc. Just gonna remove it now soon. Okay, there Sean is now busy pulling it out there.
Dr. Wall?
Ja, so 'n klein klippie wat so baie kak veroorsaak. Sorted. Okay, the problem is sorted en kyk wie het nou opgetrek. Oh. Look at that glitter. Right, so Sean sorted me out. Can you believe it? A small stone causing a person so much stress. Yeah, so I'm busy working on the Drift City video. It might take a while because it's a lot of footage that I have to work through. Unfortunately, I couldn't record as much as I wanted to due to the weather. The weather was really bad. I know there's a lot of people that's been affected in Strand, the worst, I think. I just thought we haven't done a vlog in a while. We'll just, you know, talk a bit, get some updates. I haven't been consistently posting like I was supposed to be posting due to a lot of things that happened. I was busy, I had a back injury.
Van die bedkas afgespring.
Nee, ek het nie van die bedkas afgespring nie. But yeah, so we're gonna try to get more content up again. Unfortunately, I've got a lot of matric farewells and stuff happening. Trying to keep that also, you know, keep the clients happy. So unfortunately the car videos and vlogs is not gonna take preference at the moment, and obviously there's my wedding that's coming up in November. So I'm gonna try and post as much as possible, but from January onwards everything will return back to normal. We just here by Sean. Man is besig hier. Intakes, gearbox. He's he's busy making an adapter for this 2JZ intake. He's busy with a car here. And we've got Marseille's Ferrari standing there. So yeah, we plan on doing some vlogs again soon in the future, depending on what Sean has here. Sean, yeah, only time can tell. So Sean will let me know when he's got something lekker going on here again. Then we'll pop around. Ask Fabian also to come around again.
Wat is die volgende event nou?
So the next event is Spring Auto Fest, 8th of October. And then I think Kalani Motor Show is November.
Is a Springfest on Saturday also?
Yeah, Springfest on the 30th of September. Yeah. Okay. ATL, I think that is Atlantis. Atlantis, nee? No, is it Atlantis? Oh, that is. Okay, so there's two Springfests. No. So then it makes three. Spring Auto Fest is Germany's. Springfest ATL Volume 3 or Volume 2, I think. That is in Atlantis, and then there's another Springfest at Ravensmead.
Yeah.
So that is what's coming up. Kalahari Motor Show is the next big show. Yeah. So we're also going to be there. We've already been in contact with the organizers. They've been in contact with us, so we'll obviously be there on that show also. But yeah, until next time. Sorry for the short vlog. Cheers.